Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to answer the Maths Method Sample Exam 2 Extended Response Question 3 Part A 1 and 2. Reading the question, we've got it has been found that the probability that any member of Fully Fit will complete S in less than 3 minutes is 5 on 8. This is independent of any other member. A random sample of 20 Fully Fit members is taken. For a sample of 20 members, let X be the random variable that represents the number of members who complete S in less than 3 minutes. Find the probability that X is larger than or equal to 10 correct to 4 decimal places. The probability that any member completes S in less than 3 minutes is 5 on 8. This is independent of any other member, and we have a sample of 20 members. And so therefore, we can define X as a binomial distribution, NP, where N is going to be the sample size, which is 20, and P, the probability of success, is going to be 5 on 8. And so the probability that X is going to be larger than or equal to 10 can be found using the binomial CDF command on the calculator. The number of trials is 20, the probability of success is 5 on 8, the lower bound is going to be 10, and the upper bound is going to be 20. And so correct to 4 decimal places, this is going to be 0.9153. Part 2. Find the probability that X is larger than or equal to 15, given that X is larger than or equal to 10 correct to 3 decimal places. This is a conditional probability, and so we're going to need to use the formula. The probability of A given B is equal to the probability of A intersection B divided by the probability of B. And so this is going to equal the probability that X is larger than or equal to 15 intersection X is larger than or equal to 10 divided by the probability that X is larger than or equal to 10. If X has to be larger than or equal to 15 and it has to be larger than or equal to 10, then the intersection is going to be the values where X is larger than or equal to 15. And so this is going to become the probability that X is larger than or equal to 15 divided by the probability that X is larger than or equal to 10. Setting this up in the calculator, we can work this out. We're going to use the binomial CDF command again, and copying these two. The top, we want the probability that X is larger than or equal to 15, and so we want the values from 15 to 20, and the bottom, we want the values from 10 to 20. And so correct to 3 decimal places, this is going to be 0.195. And that's it for this video. If you guys want to learn or practice more exam style questions related to binomial distributions, then you can easily do this by logging into the Maths Methods Club, where you can group all the past exam questions related to binomial distributions. Once you log in, all you need to do, click on probability from the main topics, and then click on binomial distribution. And for extended response questions, go to question type and select extended response. Here, you're going to find all the past exam questions related to binomial distribution in the extended response section. Go through these questions so you can expose yourself to as many different types of questions that you'll face when answering binomial distribution questions. This way, you'll be better prepared to answer your SACS and exams when it comes to this topic. Thanks for watching, good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.